Hi everybody, hi Social Cam, hi Facebook followers. It's Dan from Alive Music Studios, Wadebridge, aka DJ-K. You're probably wondering why I'm pointing at my Pioneer DJ Ergo, WeGo. I'm just going to actually talk about something. We've just recently found out there's a fault. The Pioneer Ergo and WeGo do not function in the same way as the Pioneer mixers. At the 0 point here, all set 0, you have a quality sound. Let me just turn the PA. We're actually in the function room here at Live Music Studio. This is the DJ booth, by the way, and we do have a party up here tonight, but it's a birthday party, so it's not a public event. But let me just turn the volume down a little bit. Listen how clear this sound is. Ready? That's really clear. Now, if you look at the EQ, listen to it again. You can see that it actually degrades the quality. At 0 point, that's how it should be, a quality sound, and then obviously when you move the dials, you can adjust it for an inferior sound, so for effects or something like that. Well, on the Pioneer WeGo and Ergo, I'm not sure if it's like that on the other DDJ consoles, but on these Ergo and WeGo, these are all wrong. After doing tests, you might find that your Ergo and your WeGo, having read articles on internet, that the sound card's noisy. Well, actually the sound card isn't noisy. Pioneer have basically messed up. This is the biggest muck-up you can think of. I'm not sure if it's adjustable by the firmware update. If they could do it with the firmware update, that would be great. But the settings of the high and the low, so in the mid, are wrong. The low's fine, that's good, but the 0 point on the Pioneer WeGo and Ergo is around here, like that. If I could take the knobs off and put them back on again, I would, but they've got a little bit of flat bit inside, so you can't actually put the knobs back on. It's not all pronged all around the edges, so you can't just put it back. But that will give you a quality sound. That is the neutral 0 point on the Pioneer WeGo and Ergo. Let me show you. Ready? Listen.
Your mother Lisa, getting like the Tower of Pisa. She said she fly from Miami to Ibiza.
You can hear how noisy it is. There's a noisy, and it's just like, it's not clean sound, it's noisy sound. So now I'm going to push it and play again.
We got me doing anything to please her. So when I say we'll stand and never change, tell me later, I'll be getting sweet now. I like it loud. I'm making this stuff London town. Cause I'm gonna make it black eyed. Every note in my wallet is a 50 pound.
Some things you gotta know. I like my beats fast and my bass down low. Bass down low. Bass down low. I like my beats fast and my bass down low. Drop it to the floor down low. Bass down low. I like my beats fast and my bass down low. Bass down low. Bass down low. I like my beats fast and my bass down low.
So there you go. So folks, out there with all those questions and queries that you've been putting out on internet, on the support groups, wondering why there's a noisy card, sound card, and what's the fix. Basically, Pioneer might be able to do a firmware update for this, but for the time being, that's the fix. That's where the 0 point is. This knob should be off and they're straight down. Off and on, off and on. But it really needs to be fixed in the firmware. This is fine. but these two are in the wrong place. Quite simple. So that's my video for today. I hope that helps a lot of the DJs out there who are using the Ergo and the WeGo. And if you've got any questions, feel free to tweet me at the Daniel Kabali on Twitter. Okay, have a good day. Have a good evening, everybody, and a good weekend. Ciao.